Hello, it's your trainer Lindsay, and today I'm going to show you how to get started with your recumbent bike with resistance bands from Sunny Health and Fitness. Designed for comfort, versatility, and full body activation. This machine offers more than just cardio. It's a total body trainer. You'll work your legs, boost your endurance, and with the built-in resistance bands, you'll also be able to tone your arms and upper body. Plus, it's senior-friendly and easy on the joints. Let's take a look at what makes this machine so special. It uses magnetic resistance in a belt-driven system, which means a smooth and quiet ride. You've got 8 resistance levels to work through depending on your fitness level and goals. The digital monitor tracks your time, speed, distance, calories, pulse, and more. And there's a tablet or phone holder so you can follow workouts or enjoy entertainment. The padded seat is extra wide with 2 inches of cushioning and a large supportive backrest for comfort during longer sessions. The handlebars are equipped with pulse sensors and rotate outward for easy access on and off the bike. The pedals are anti-slip with adjustable straps, and the full body resistance bands are right here to help you tone your arms while pedaling. To begin, adjust the seat using the lever on the right. You want to just push down and then slide the seat forward or back to find your perfect stride. Then be sure to pull up on the lever to secure your position. Your knee should have a slight bend at the end of the motion when you are pedaling. If needed, you can lift the side handlebars to make it easy to get on to the bike. So you want to sit down, make sure you're secure, and start pedaling at a comfortable pace. Want to boost intensity? Increase the resistance using the knob right here and just turn it to the right to make it more difficult, or to the left to reduce the resistance. There are 3 hooks attached to the handles to clip the bands onto. The position you choose is dependent on the exercise you wish to perform. Make sure to turn the bottom cable pulley to face forward like this for any forward motions. If you want to do exercises like lateral raises, turn them out to the side like this. If you need extra guidance, just open the SunnyFit app and follow along.